Hello guys, my name is Sabir Ali and you watch my channel Solution Ki Duniya. So today I provide this applications, rebrand, everything for this data. For example, you want this IBO Player and any more for this XC Smarter. Anyone for sell this for application rebrand data and application backend panel plus APK. So after I open this computer, so you watch now for this app and panel. So this I have this for icon. For example, this pack for this XC IPTV. This you watch now for XC IPTV is interior for this icon. And this sky glass for smarter player, and this is green focus for this smarter button, and this XIPTV icons color. For example, you have this for this setting icon and more for recording icon and another account icon. And this 3D for this logo for this XCIPTV and any more application used now. This transparent for this channel APG film series, this icons, and this open for you watch now for this IBO store panel zip IBO store 2. Sorry 4.2 APK, and this multi-section for this multi-store upload for this application, and this app for cinema. As you watch now for this folder and version for this 2.4 2.3, and this which application for this APK, and you wind up for this APK and this panel. And next FCD 2.8 2.3, and which application, and IBO Player. IBO Player is this 3.1 variant, 2.4, 3.4, 2.7. This all variant this is available for this 4K Sky variant, and this mega panel. You watch now for this OTT platform, OTT zip panels, and this other panel for this duplex hard coded and flex 3.9 plus panel APK. Here flex 5 variant, flex 3.8 variant, and multiplayer. You want for this for example XC player, and this OTT player plus panel zip and APK this variant, and have to use this as a interrogation for this is used for upload and link this application, and P2P IPTV will resolve it, and RTX stream player like IBO devices key is all I have this for, plus application and panels, this parlay player 12 variant, 10 variant, 7 variant, plus APK and panel. And smarter I have this all variant for glass and more anything you watch now for. You want for this one, and you want this all data, so all data I provide you. And you want this one APK and one panel script, anyone you choose now for I provide you. You watch now for XC IPTV is old version, for example this 8.3 and 7.17. This all I have this for APK and this players, this smarter. This old player all for this and this section I provide this for new player all and new section. This 9 stream with application and panel and document for this installation, upload zip file and link APK, and extra crack variant 5.6 dream variant install FCD 2.2. And you watch now for everything I have this this IBO Player 4.1 variant with APK. You watch now for this APK and zip and this 3.4, sorry 4.3, this APK and panel zip, and this IBO 3.9 variant Pro, this IBO 4.1 variant and 26 themes. And same have this for this APK 4.1 IBO and this panel zip document and this Parlay new and panel and plus APK, this IBO plus variant and my TV online 2, this APK and this panel and this guideline for this upload and link, and RTS UTV for this APK and application IBO Player for this linked, and Skyway panel and IPTV Player and is a document for this linked this and hosting upload this all the guidelines, this text file, this Spark, this Streambox variant 11 and this 11.2 variant Streambox latest variant, and this TV Mate variant 5.106, this document and panel and this APK, and View Player plus APK and panel is latest variant, this all files. This panel and APK, and this installation stream IPTV panel, for example, is the admin panel installed to this use now for this, and SUI1 patch, and this I have XC IPTV latest variant 7 and which 911 this variant, and this 1001 variant and 2000 So this I have this all and zip files plus everything, and I'm go to this mix app and panel, and you wind up all zip files and this panel with everything for to XC for 2002 variant is all I have this in for example is IPTV Player, XC, Smarter, IBO, everything I have this, and anyone you want to contact me and this you want this full data for this something is 20 GB this data everything for, and you want this for example is one application and one APK this only this data, so I am provide you. You contact me by WhatsApp, and thanks for you.